What's up, guys?
Oh, look who we got here.
I found this little hot rod down in the parking lot. Figured we'd take it for a ride.
Man, what do you think, John?
I think it's amazing. What a blast.
All right.
A little bit of NA fun this afternoon for everybody.
Cool. Look who we got driving the Silver Bullet.
What's up, guys?
It's John.
Having a little
Urist.
NA fun today? I don't know. Let's see what... We're here.
That's great.
Oh, that's a good time right there. If you guys don't have one of these, it's an S550 Mustang. You should go get one because you're missing out.
That's right.
You had an old Mustang, that's great. Ford makes this new one. I'm telling you right now, it's the only way to go.
Direct injection.
Direct injection, drive it to the store, take it to the track, take the kids to school, leave it in a parking lot, and you can afford it. So, I mean, what else is, what other, there's no other option than this.
Might even get a set of twins one day, you never know.
Well, you can start out NA, have a good time with it, and then, you move to the next step. We can put adjustable boost on it. A little bit of fun for everybody at everybody's budget level.
There you go.
Steeda will get you taken care of with the suspension, engine upgrades, and then, you want to put a Hellion twin turbo kit, we can do that too.
I think we see one in the future, that's for sure.
Definitely.